So what we discussed in the last class, Mark. Good evening, everyone. See, first one is what is quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. Revise, sir. Revise. So what is a quadratic expression means? If ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0, a not equal to 0 is called the quadratic expression. A comma b comma c are real numbers. A compulsory not equal to 0. What about quadratic equation?
When is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0.
Yes, with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here also a not equal to 0 means this is called a quadratic equation. So if you solve the quadratic equation for any equation, there are two methods. First one is splitting middle term.
So we're just revising quadratic now.
Sir?
We're just revising quadratic.
Yes, yes, revise only. Second one is a formula method. A new student joining, that's why. So splitting middle term, you know, sir, you know that if splitting middle term is not possible, then apply the formula method. What is the formula? See, if x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is a formula for quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. B square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula for a quadratic equation. So what is a? Here a is what? Here a is the coefficient of x square. What is a b? Coefficient of x. What is a c? C is the constant. C is the constant only. So here b square minus 4ac is there, sir. That is called a discriminant. So here we discuss nature of the roots. Nature of the roots. Here two roots is there. Why? Because the order is 2, sir. The degree is 2 means then only two roots. What is the nature of the roots? For if any quadratic equation, if ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0, and a comma b comma c are real numbers. So discriminant real numbers, then d is equal to b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. It's called a discriminant. See first point. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is nothing but if b is equal to 0, then the roots means both roots are, the roots are real and equal. Both are equal only, sir, but real numbers. Second part, that is second point. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that is b greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal, means discrete. That is unequal. Third one, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is a discriminant is less than 0, so the roots are imaginary. That is what the no real roots. No real roots. So we discussed last class this one, sir. And reducible to quadratic equation also we complete. Reducible to also quadratic equation how to complete. Reducible quadratic equation. Okay, we'll discuss some questions. See, first question, do it sir. Find, find and using the quadratic formula question. The roots of the following quadratic equation. The roots of the equation if they exist. If they exist. First question. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Second question. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. Try Arav. I'll discuss just to try. Find using the quadratic formula the roots of the equation if they exist. Just try.
So I'll solve both and say the answers.
Yes.
So the first one answer is 1 or 2 by 3. The second one root doesn't exist.
Yes, correct, sir. See, if 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0, what is a value here? That is splitting method only we are using. 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Yes or no? Now here 3x is the common, x minus 1 minus 2 is the common, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 into 3x minus x equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 by 3. If they exist means what? If you need to find the d, that is a discriminant in this equation, b square minus 4ac. What is the b square value? Minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value 3, c value c. 25 minus 4 3 is a 12, 12 to the 24. So is equal to 1. Now d is positive mark. D is greater than 0 means what? The roots are real and unequal. See first if they exist or not means first to find the discriminant. If discriminant is greater than 0 or is equal to 0 exist. If discriminant is greater than 0 or is equal to 0 means exist. Second question. Yes, any doubt? If you doubt, please ask ma.
Sir, can you explain again?
Yes, okay. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0 ma. If the roots are exist or not means first to find the discriminant d. What is the d formula? B square minus 4ac. This is a quadratic equation means Compare ax square plus bx plus is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. What is a value? A is equal to 3. What is the b value? B is equal to minus 5. What is the c value? C value 2. Compare quadratic equation. So d is equal to what? B square means minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a value 3 now, c value 2. So therefore d is equal to 25 minus 24. D is equal to 1. That means the discriminant is positive. So d is greater than 0. So if d greater than 0 means what is the condition? The roots are real and distinct. That is the condition for nature of the roots are unequal. Both will be same. That is the condition. So we discuss now. So if b square minus 4ac greater than 0 means the roots are real and distinct. That means roots are exist. I'm clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to find the root? Means there are two methods there. First method is splitting middle term method. Second method is formula method. So here splitting middle term possible now. So what is the equation here? Therefore, the equations is what? 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So it's just to multiply ma. 3 2s are 6 ma. 6 rewritten 2 3s are 6. Here minus minus means if you multiply these two getting for 6. Ma'am, you know ma'am splitting middle term method? Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if adding these two means minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So that is nothing but here minus 5. If you multiply these two means 6. That type of suitable value how to need here to solve the splitting middle term. So that is nothing but 3x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. These two terms, which one is the common? 3x is the common. So remaining well x minus 1. These two terms, which one is the common? Minus 2 is the common. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Now in this equation, which one is the common? X minus 1, x minus 1 is the common. What is the remaining value? 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x minus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Two situations. Now x is equal to 1, 3x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. These are the roots. When these two are exist, if d greater than 0 means then roots are exist. I'm clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, ma'am?
No, sir.
Yeah. If you don't, please ask. I will explain. No problem. I thought you know every concept like that. If you don't know means please tell. I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I go to next question, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note it, ma. Please note it. 2 minutes. Just you observe. 1 minute. Just you observe, ma'am. Just to read that concept also. Nature of the roots. Next question, ma. Shall I go to next question, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Second question, ma. Second question. Second question. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. First, compare. Compare quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where compare ma. A value 1. What is the b value? 4. What is c value? C value 5. Okay. First to find the discriminant. What is the discriminant formula? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. First to find the value. B value 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. 4 square means 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20. So 16 minus 20 is minus 4. That means D value less than 0. Discriminant is negative number. So therefore what happened here? The roots are imaginary, no real roots. No real roots. That means what is the meaning here? Therefore, roots does not exist. If it is real roots means we need to find the value. If real roots is not there, no need. Just simply write roots does not exist. Ma'am, clear?
Yes, sir.
Please note it, ma'am. Otherwise, we discuss one more question. Ma'am, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. Problem. Find the value of m if the roots of the following quadratic equation are equal. The question is 4 plus m into x square plus m plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the question. Just to try, ma'am. For 2 minutes, just think about that question. Any idea? Yes, we'll discuss more. Okay. Find the value of m if the roots of the following quadratic equations are real or equal. The roots will be equal. The roots will be equal. So what is the roots are equal, ma? If roots are equal, if roots are equal, discriminant is equal to 0. What is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, first you compare the equation. Compare ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a value? So here a is equal to what? 4 plus m. B value is equal to what? M plus 1. C value is equal to 1. Just to compare. Compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Whatever the quadratic equation, we need to compare ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the a value? 4 plus m. What is the b value? M plus 1. C value 1. So b means what? M plus 1. That is b square m plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a value 4 plus m. C value 1 is equal to 0. So this is a plus b whole square formula. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. So expand m square plus 2m plus 1 a plus b whole square minus 4 into 4 minus 16 minus 4 into m minus 4m is equal to 0. Now m square 2m minus 4m minus 2m. So minus 15 is equal to 0. 15 is there. 5 3 is in middle term. M square minus 5m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Here m is the common. M minus 5 plus 3 is the common. M minus 5 is equal to 0. So also m minus 5 is the common. M plus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to 5 and m is equal to minus 3. These are the points. So therefore m is equal to 5 or m is equal to 5 or m is equal to minus 3. Ma'am, any doubt, ma'am? Please observe 2 minutes.
Sir, how m is equal to 5?
Ma'am, here m minus this okay, ma'am? This step okay, ma'am? M minus 5 and m plus 3.
Yes, sir.
M minus 5 is equal to 0 one situation. One more situation. One more situation. M plus 3 also 0. Why? Because these two product. This product is equal to 0 means m minus 5 is equal to 0 one situation. M plus 3 also 0. 2 is happening, ma'am. That's why first one is what? If minus 5 is there, is equal to outside means what happened, ma? M is equal to plus 5. M is equal to plus 3 is there. So this plus 3 goes equal to outside what? Minus 3. No clear?
Yes, sir.
That is the main reason. Very good, ma'am. If you don't, please ask, ma. I'll explain again also, no problem.
No, sir.
Next question. Next part. If the roots of the equation are equal, then the value of p is same type of question. Just to try, ma'am. If the roots of x square minus px plus 4 equal to 0 are equal, the value of p is. Please try. Just to approach, ma'am. Please do it. Same method, ma'am. If the roots are equal, the value of p is. Try.
Sir, is P is equal to 4?
One more, ma'am. Two values, I think. Very good. First, we'll solve. Very good, ma'am. Px plus 4 is equal to 0. First, compare. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus p. C is equal to 4. This is ax square plus bx plus c. So the roots are equal. What is the equal means what? D is equal to 0. D value what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B value minus p ma. Minus p whole square minus 4 into a value 1, b value 4, c is equal to 0. So therefore, p square minus 16 is equal to 0. P square is equal to 16. P is equal to root 16. What is the P value? P value means what here? Plus or minus 4 now.
Plus minus 4.
Why? Because see, root of 4 into 4 is equal to what, sir? 4 square. Root is the square root, cancel 4 only. That is 16 is equal to. 16 is equal to rewritten as minus 4 into minus 4
Minus 4.
also.
Minus 4. 4 into
That is
4. So
what?
P is
Minus
now.
4 whole square. Minus 4 whole square. Root is there. Now square root cancel. What is answer? Minus 4. So 16 means 4 into 4 also 16. 16 means minus 4 into minus 4 also 16. So that's why we are
Yes,
using
sir.
plus or minus 4. Please do it. Find the value of k for which the equation 3x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0 has distinct and real roots. Yeah, tell me, sir. Try. Arav, you also try, sir.
So plus K, right? Like,
Yeah, plus k only, plus k only.
okay, sir.
Please try, ma. You also, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
So is there only one answer?
You try, sir. I'll explain. You try.
I'm only getting one. So I'm only getting one answer.
Hmm.
Wait. Yes, there can only be one answer. K is equal to 3.
Huh?
Only K is equal to 3 I'm getting, sir.
Hmm.
Is there one more answer?
Yes, tell me.
There's only one answer, right, sir?
What is the answer? Tell me.
K is equal to 3.
K is equal to y we are using. What is the condition, ma?
Distinct and real roots.
Yeah, what is the condition? I'll try. See
Oh,
first.
please.
3x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Compare. Comparing with
B square
From the
minus 4AC.
ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 3. B is
B is
equal to
equal to
6.
6
C is
minus
equal to
6,
k.
6
What
C.
is the distinct and real roots?
Uh, Distinct real roots means it's
What is the condition?
above 0. The roots are above.
No, d greater than 0 then. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is the d value? B
D
square minus
value and yeah,
4 is greater than 0. What is the b
yeah.
value? Minus 6 whole square.
Minus 6 square minus
4 into
4
a value
into
3. C value
3
k greater
k.
than 0. This is 36 minus 12k is greater than 0. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If
Yes, sir.
minus is applicable, minus common means what happened? 12k minus 36 less than 0 only. So 12k is less than 36. 12 ones are 12 twos are
3.
12 3.
3,
So
sir.
k less than 3. This is the answer.
Oh, so
If
answers 1 and 2.
why we are using one and two, they didn't mention anything either nature number or whole number or no nothing. Just answer is k less than 3. That's all.
Okay, sir.
I'm not asking the value now. Find the value of k. A distinct real number of real roots and number of values will be there. See, that is number line. Suppose number line minus infinity comma plus infinity. And this is the suppose 3. And now what is the value? K is less than 3 means what? Less than 3 only. So like that every number is possible here. No need. Just write it that one. K less than 3. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, how did greater than change into less than 0?
Yes, question, very good question. I think last class I'll discuss for RO students also. Here, 36 minus 12k is less than 0 is there. Okay, I want the k value. If you multiplied, if you multiplied negative number, if you multiplied negative number means negative number, then condition, this is a condition. The condition. Then inequality. Inequality symbol will be changed. Inequality symbol will be changed. We discussed already, but you are upset. Okay, no issue. If you multiply minus, I multiplied minus only then I multiplied minus ma. So if you multiply minus means minus 36, minus or minus plus 12k. 12k less than means what? Here greater than 0. Suppose less than means greater than. Here greater than means less than only. Opposite side. Suppose here greater than is there, you are using less than. If here less than is there, here using greater than. Symbol will be changed, reverse. Reverse. If less than means greater than means less than. So therefore 12k 12k is less than 36. So k is less than 36 by 12. So k is less than 3. Any doubt?
No, sir.
That's why. Important, important. Given that 2 is a root of the equation 3x square minus p of x plus 1 is equal to 0, and that the equation px square minus qx plus 9 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Find the value of p and q. Let's do it. Please try. Arav, you also sir, please try. I'll explain.
So P is equal to 4 and Q is equal to 16.
No, wrong. P well right.
So
P well right, ma. What about q value?
1 second, sir.
P value right. Ma'am, you try, ma'am. Please try.
Sir, 2 is a root of the equation means what, sir?
Hmm. For example, suppose x square minus 5x plus 6 is there is equal to 0. What are the roots? x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Example, this example. For example, x is the common x minus 2, minus 3 is the common x minus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 is the common, x minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, x value 2, x value 3. So x equal to 2 is the root of this equation. X equal to 3 also root of this equation. How can we say that is the root of the equation? Means these two we need to substitute here. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Substitute 2 ma. 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 to the 4 minus 10 plus 6. 10 minus 10. 0. Yes, it is 0 only. Is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Is equal to 0 only. So that x is equal to is satisfied the equation, means that is called root of the equation. X equal to 3 also substitute ma. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 na. 3. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. 9 minus 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, x equal to 3 is the root. That means that value is satisfied to replace x is equal to. That is the meaning. I'm clear? What is the root meaning?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I repeat ma this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we discuss the question. See here 2 is the root means x equal to is the meaning. So what is the given equation? Px square minus p of x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is a root means you substitute here. So that is 3 into 2 square minus p into 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. 4 ma. 4 3s are 12 minus 3p is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 3p. P is equal to 4. So this 2 is the root of this equation only ma, not the second equation. P is equal to 4. Clear ma'am? Any doubt?
No,
Any
sir.
doubt? Okay. Next, what is the next question, ma? Next is the px square minus qx plus 9 is equal to 0. What is the p value? P is 4, you know. So 4x square minus qx plus 9 is equal to 0. So in the equation, equal roots means what is the meaning? Discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. So D means what is the value? B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. What is the B square value? Here A value 4 ma. A is equal to 4. B is equal to minus Q. C is equal to 9. So B square minus 4AC means minus Q whole square minus 4 into 9 is equal to 0. So Q square 4 4 is 16 ma. 69 is 144 minus 144 is equal to 0. Q square is equal to 144. Q is equal to root 144. What is the Q value now? Tell me.
Plus 1 minus 12.
Very good. Very good. 12 comma minus 12. What is the P value? P value 4. Already is there. Are any doubt, ma?
No, sir.
Shall we discuss next question, ma? Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'll give two question. Please solve problem. The equation 3x square minus 12x plus n minus 5 is equal to 0 has equal roots. Has equal roots. Find the value of n. Please do it. Next problem. Find the value of m if m minus 2 into x square minus 5 plus m into x plus 16 equal to 0. Yeah, try these two. Please try.
So n is equal to 19. So
Yes, tell me, ma.
n value is 19.
Okay.
M1, give me 1 minute, sir.
N value what?
No, sir, I'm doing something.
What is the first question? What is the answer, ma? N value. N.
N value is 19.
No, wrong. Check it once again. Check it. You tell me, ma'am.
So 5.
No, wrong. Check it once again.
So I'm not getting another answer other than 19. So
Tell me.
I'm not getting another answer other than 19.
Wait.
The 19 is correct?
Yes, 19 correct.
I told that first.
Equal roots means what, sir? Here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to minus 12. C is equal to n minus 5. So equal roots means the discriminant is equal to 0. B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Then B square means what, sir? Minus 12 whole square minus 4 into 3 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So 144 minus 12. 12 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. So 144 is equal to 12 into n minus 5. 12 ones are 12 twelves are. So 12 is
Yes,
equal to n minus
n
5.
minus.
12 plus 5 is equal to n. N is equal to 17. Simple question around. Huh? Where did you mistake, ma?
Uh,
Simple question only.
so no, this division mistake, sir. I got 17. So I did a mistake in division.
Just tell me.
I did a mistake in division.
Second division. What, sir?
So I did a mistake in division, sir. That's why I got it wrong.
So whatever it is now, if you doing without division also you getting same answer only. Why? How you getting some 19? Division mistake or what?
Yes, sir. Division mistake.
See, if you
I,
multiply 12 and minus 60, na, that is also right only, da, no problem.
so now I got it.
Okay. Second question try. First question completed. Second question try, ma. Please try.
So I'm getting the answer with a root.
Root.
Yeah.
Simplification, very silly mistake is there, mister. Once you recheck, once you recheck, silly mistake, please avoid that that way. Once or twice, you just multiply and everything, na, addition, subtraction, everything. That is only happen here. Ma'am, you tried, What is answer, ma'am?
So can you just
Shall I
uh,
discuss?
yes sir, I'll see what I did.
The question is m minus 2 whole square, m minus 2 into x square minus 5 plus m into x plus 16 is equal to, this is question. See, what m minus 2 whole square minus 5 plus m into x plus 16. Yeah, okay, equal roots. Ma. So what is a value? A is equal to m minus 2 and b is equal to minus of 5 plus m and c is equal to 16. So therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Equal roots. Then what is the value? B value minus of 5 plus m whole square minus 4 into a value minus 2 minus 2, c value 16 is equal to 0. This is a plus b whole square formula ma. So 25 plus m square plus 10m minus 64 is 64, 64m 64 into m minus 2 is equal to 0. Next
64 minus, yeah, okay.
25 plus m square plus 10m minus 64m plus 128 is equal to 0. First write the m square value, m square ma. 64m minus 10m is what? Minus 53m. Sorry, 54.
54.
54m plus 128 into 25 is what? 125 plus 25.
That'll be 103.
No,
Sorry,
128 over 25 is what?
128 plus 25.
153.
153. 153.
So what is the factorizations here? So m square minus 51m
Minus
minus 3m
3. Yeah.
possible. Check it. Then what is m value? Ma? M is equal to what?
Then
M
m is
minus
equal to minus
minus 3 is
51
m
and
minus 51 is equal to 0. So therefore m minus 5 into m minus 51,
minus
m
51.
51 minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 51 is equal to 0. One situation. M minus 3 is equal to 0. Another situation. M is equal to 51 and m is equal to 3. Any doubt?
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Got
you
it.
just multiplication is important and the factorization that also you have to think, sir. That means if you do the more number of questions, suppose, so what I've discussed in the class today, these questions have to practice once or twice. You have to practice with then getting for that idea how to approach
Okay.
that. Without practice, you're not getting for any answer. Simple question. We all discuss number of questions this method. Give the homework also.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, any doubt, ma'am?
No, sir.
Please note it. Yes, clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Next easy question. Without solving, without solving, examine the nature of the roots. First question, 5x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Second equation, 2x square plus 3 like that. X square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. And third one, x square plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. And fourth one, 2x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0. Yeah, do it, ma. Without solving, examine the nature of the roots of the equation. Nature of the roots.
So
Yeah.
first, third, and fourth one there are no real roots. Second one there are real and equal roots.
Okay, wait.
So can I see the answers?
Yes, wait. Ma'am, please try.
So done.
So what should we do here?
Ma'am, here without solving, examine the nature of the roots. What is the meaning of nature of the roots, ma'am? I give three conditional nature of the roots.
Yes, sir.
Try, yeah, try. Find the d value. If d less than 0, what happen? No real roots. D is equal to 0, roots are equal. D greater than 0, roots are distinct.
So excuse me, sir.
Ah,
The I have the answers.
yes, wait.
Okay. So,
So 1, 3 and 4 are greater than 0 and second is equal to 0.
That is what is the conclusion? Okay, delta greater than 0, delta is equal to 0. Okay, but what is the conclusion? What is the first equation? I give you notes now.
Uh,
So can I say my answer?
Yes, I'll discuss.
So
First one.
can I say the answers?
You tell, sir. You tell. First one.
The first, third, and fourth, no
First.
real roots.
This is no real root.
Yes, sir.
Next, first and third.
First, third, and fourth. Yes, sir.
The no real root. Fourth also no real root.
Yeah. The second one, the other unequal roots.
I think this is. You check it 1 second. This one. Yes. Okay. Correct. No real root. What about the second one?
The other unequal roots.
Yes. Okay. I'll check, sir. Very good. Ma. Correct only.
Okay, sir.
So first question. A value 5, B value -6, C value 3. This is what ABC value. First D ma. D is equal to what is the formula? B square minus 4AC. So minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 5 into 3, that equal to 36 minus 60. So what is the value? Minus 14, 24. This is T value. So D is less than 0 means what is the meaning? The roots are the no real roots. The roots are imaginary or no real roots. That is the conclusion mark. So therefore no real roots. Same thing here. What is second one? Second question is equal to what, sir? A value 1, A is equal to 1, B value 6, C value 9. So what is the D value here? B square minus 4AC. B square means 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 9. So 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So therefore D is equal to 0. If D is equal to 0 means what? Roots are equal. Roots are equal. Next, third one, sir. A value 1, B value 1, C value -1, third one. So D is equal to what? B square minus 4AC, 1 minus 4 into 1 into -1. So this is possible. I think wrong. Plus 4 is equal to 5. So D is positive. Therefore, the roots are the roots are real and distinct. Arav, your answer is wrong only.
So for the
Arav,
third one,
yeah, third one, yes.
uh,
Check it. Your answer is wrong. In third one, what is the answer? The roots are.
okay, so I didn't take the minus, sir. That's why
Yes,
I.
yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, okay, ba? Any doubt, ma'am?
So then in the fourth one, it's
Yes,
real.
correct. Fourth one, bro. Correct, correct one, correct one. Once revise, ma'am. Ma'am, any
no,
doubt?
sir.
It's the
No,
last
sir.
5 minutes. Then please utilize this time. Once revise. If your doubt is there, you can ask, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Next class, I'll discuss word problem, ma'am, around. So that question is somewhat okay. So before going to that question, once you concentrate what are the topic to cover quadratic equation means we have to revise.
Okay,
What
sir.
is the equation? How to solve the equation? Reducible equations, how to solve the equation? You just this and all everything how to practice. Then that question is very easy. What is the nature of the roots? What is the real roots? What is the distinct roots? Just everything will be using for that word problem. 5 minutes is there. Just stay back and have to practice. If you don't, please ask.
So for fourth one, for me, the roots are real and distinct is coming, sir. Answer.
No, I will solve. 2x square, fourth one, 2x square. What is the value? Minus 6x, minus 6x, minus 7. Now a is equal to b is equal to minus 6. Yes, correct, ma'am. Correct only. Very good, ma'am. Very good. Allow one, check it. That is also wrong. B is equal to what, sir? B
Yes, sir,
square
I was saying. Yes, sir, that's what I was saying. That the this one, this is also
minus
real
6
and
whole
equal.
square minus 4 into a value
Sorry,
2.
real and distinct.
Yes, correct. Correct, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. Very good. 36 plus 4 2s are 8. 8 7s are 8 7s are
56.
56. So therefore D is equal to what? D is equal to what? 96 ah?
92.
92 ah? Okay. So therefore D is greater than 0. Therefore the roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal are distinct. Yes, correct, ma'am. Very good, ma'am. This is wrong. Yes, good. Very good. This is only what b square minus 4ac. A is the sense x square coefficient. B is equal to x coefficient. C is a constant like that only. No real roots. The roots are equal like that only. No issue.
Sir?
Tell me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, any doubt is there, ma'am?
No, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, dad.